From ancient ruins to fragile manuscripts, our cultural heritage tells the story of humanity. But time, conflict, and natural disasters threaten these invaluable treasures. Enter artificial intelligence, a powerful tool that's helping us preserve, restore, and even recreate the past. Preserving cultural heritage faces numerous challenges. Deterioration. Natural elements like weather, erosion, and decay constantly threaten historical sites and artifacts. Human impact, vandalism, looting, and even unintentional damage from tourism contribute to the loss of cultural heritage. Limited resources. Conservation efforts often require significant financial and human resources, which may not always be available. Documentation and access. Many historical records and artifacts are fragmented, inaccessible, or poorly documented. AI offers a range of solutions to these challenges. Damage detection and monitoring. AI algorithms can analyze images and 3D scans of historical sites and artifacts to detect even subtle signs of damage, allowing for timely intervention. Drones equipped with AI can regularly monitor sites and identify potential risks. Restoration and reconstruction. AI can assist in restoring damaged artifacts by analyzing fragments and reconstructing missing pieces digitally. This can be particularly useful for restoring fragmented sculptures, paintings, and manuscripts. Digital archiving and cataloging. AI can automate the process of digitizing and cataloging vast collections of historical documents, photographs, and artifacts, making them more accessible to researchers and the public. Virtual and augmented reality experiences. AI can create immersive virtual and augmented reality experiences that allow people to explore historical sites and artifacts from anywhere in the world, preserving them for future generations. Translation and decipherment. AI-powered translation tools can help decipher ancient languages and scripts, unlocking valuable historical information. While AI offers immense potential for cultural heritage preservation, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Authenticity and integrity. It's essential to ensure that AI-driven restoration and reconstruction efforts are based on accurate data and respect the original integrity of the artifact. Over-reliance on AI could lead to inauthentic or misleading reconstructions. Data bias and representation. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases, it can lead to skewed or incomplete representations of the past. Accessibility and ownership. It's important to ensure that digital representations of cultural heritage are accessible to everyone and that appropriate measures are in place to protect intellectual property rights. AI should be seen as a tool to augment human expertise, not replace it. Conservators, historians, and archaeologists should play a central role in guiding AI-driven preservation efforts. AI is being used to reconstruct the ancient city of Palmyra, which was severely damaged by conflict. AI is helping to decipher the Dead Sea Scrolls, revealing new insights into ancient Jewish history. AI is being used to create virtual tours of historical sites, allowing people to experience them remotely. AI is transforming the way we preserve and interact with our cultural heritage. By combining the power of technology with human expertise and ethical considerations, we can ensure that these invaluable treasures are protected and accessible for generations to come. It's about using the tools of the future to safeguard the stories of the past.